Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about how to use assertThrows in JUnit. Let me discuss this assertThrows with a simple example. New package data. Inside the data, create the Java class which is exception check. In this exception check class, create one method that returns the integer check div int a comma int b, return a divided by b. That's it. Create one package in the test package data. Inside the data package, right click new Java class test assert. In this, create one method void testd. Inside the testd, create the object for the exception check. Now what we will do here is mainly this assertThrows. What this assertThrows will be useful is in JUnit-5 to write the test code that is expected to throw an exception. In that case, we should use this assertion dot assertThrows. For this, assertions dot assertThrows. Now what I will do here is I will provide the expected type. What this expected type is, test code is expected to throw an exception of this type, the type which we are providing. It will throw an exception of the type which we are providing now. I'm saying arithmetic exception dot class comma lambda expression expected check dot check div and divided by 0. Let me run this and see. Annotate this method with @test. Now the test case will be passed. Let's say for example, if I provide here 2, it will get fail because 10 divided by 2 is 5. So it will not throw any exception and the test case will get passed. The test case will get failed. The main theme here is it should throw some exception. If I make it as 0, see here, the test case will get pass. Let's say for example, I'm taking another method, public string test string convert string. String s1. I'm saying return. I'm converting string to integer. Integer dot pass into s1. Now if I go to the test assets, and if I say like void test, something like test convert string to int, create the object, exception check, assertions dot assertThrows. I'm giving the expected type as number format exception dot class, comma, expected type check dot convert, and I'm providing the string that needs to be converted to integer with an improper format. Now it will throw the number format exception because it is not properly given. There is some space after 10. So see here, the test case got passed. If I given properly, so it will get converted and it won't throw any exception. The test case will get failed. It got failed. It is saying expected number format exception to be thrown, but nothing was thrown. Reason, the string which we have given, it is in improper format. Now it will throw the number format exception and test case will get passed. That is about the assertThrows. In this way, we have discussed two examples by using assertThrows. How we can use this assertThrows in JUnit.